fighter jets and want to see how they look different than each other, then this is the place where I'm standing right now, the Aero India show in Bangalore. These fighter jets define India's aerial combat capabilities, and the lineup that you see behind me is not just India's fighter jet fleet, but this is also the only place where the world's two most advanced fighter jets have flown to Bangalore to showcase their superiority, their capabilities, and they are no doubt the showstoppers in this year's Aero India show. What you see here is Russia's Sukhoi 57 fifth generation fighter jet. The fifth generation fighter jets, remember, are the most advanced technology in combat aviation and modern warfare. And standing right in the end is America's fifth generation fighter jet, the F-35, which also has a sleek design, super maneuverability and advanced weapon carrying capabilities. Both of these fighter jets, the Su-57 and F-35, are stealth fighter jets, which means they're designed to avoid detectability by the enemy by reducing reflection, light and sound. The US and China are not alone in developing this fifth generation fighter jet technology. China has developed its own fifth generation fighter jet J-35, and Pakistan is likely to buy this top fighter jet from China. Well, India is not just a spectator in this high-tech showdown. What you see here is India's own fifth generation fighter jet called Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA, being developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency. While this is still under development stage, this is the first time that a model of the AMCA is being showcased in a public forum, in a public platform at the Aero India show here.
AMCA is the Indian answer to the world in terms of the fifth generation fighter jet what we have been producing. The capabilities of this aircraft are equally or at par, I would say, with all the current generation fighter jets which you have been seeing in the air show. Now we have completed the critical design of this aircraft and we are now into the stage of manufacturing of this. So you will see the prototypes of this aircraft populated with all the systems together, flying very soon. We are targeting this by possibly the end of 2027 to in the first quarter of 2028.
What you're seeing behind me is the most talked about fighter jet currently. Manufactured in India by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, this is the Tejas Light Combat Aircraft Mark 1A. Now, why is this being talked about so much? Remember, there are 3 such fighter jets displayed at the Aero India show. When the Air Force Chief visited and sat in one of these fighter jets, he was not happy. He was disappointed with what he saw and what he felt after sitting inside the fighter jet. He said he feels HAL is not in mission mode and is not delivering on what it promised.
We will, at the moment, I am just not confident of HNE.
Remember, the Indian Air Force had placed an order for 83 LCA Mark 1A fighter jets in 2021. So he was expecting at least 11 such fighter jets to be ready when he visits the Aero India show in February. But he found not a single fighter jet is ready. He says that just a change in the software in the fighter jet doesn't make it Mark 1A, doesn't qualify the fighter jet as the latest version of the Tejas aircraft. And that is what drew a lot of criticism for the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited.
Well, thanks so much for tuning in to CNBC TV 18. Make sure you follow us and stay updated on all our social media platforms.